Ladies and bros, grab a seat, put on a suit, and prepare your eyeballs for some legendary ornithological news. The New Zealand falcon, aka the kārearea, just straight up dominated the country's annual Bird of the Year competition. We're talking 21% of the vote. That's not just a win, that's a flawless victory. Why? Because this feathered bro is basically the Barney Stinson of birds. It dives at 200 kilometers per hour. That's faster than me sprinting to the bar when it's last call. It hunts like a boss, rules the forests, and still manages to look sleek while doing it. Suited up in feathers. Respect. Now here's the sobering part. Only about 5,000 to 8,000 of these majestic wingmen are left. Tragic, I know. Even the most awesome among us need a little help sometimes. Hence the whole competition. Raising awareness, getting people hyped, and making sure birds don't go extinct faster than Ted's relationships. This year was the 20th anniversary of the showdown, and it was hotter than a debate over whether it's cool to wear sandals to brunch. Spoiler, it's not. Every one of the 73 bird candidates had their own campaign manager, complete with memes, reels, and posters. Translation, these birds had better PR than most Hollywood stars. But let's be real, only one could soar above the rest, and the kārearea snatched the crown. The runner-up, the kea, clocking in with 12,506 votes. Adorable, sure, but second place is just the first loser. The black robin snagged third with 11,726 votes. Solid effort. Oh, and the kākāpō, that chunky green parrot that's basically the Danny DeVito of the bird world, two-time champ, retired for being too awesome. Respect. Here's where it gets even more insane. They held a bird debate. Yes, a literal election debate, but instead of politicians, it was campaign managers repping their birds. Imagine yelling about tax reform, but instead it's, "My owl is cuter than your penguin." Democracy bro style. The kārearea's victory means it not only gets bragging rights, but also a custom wata, a Maori song dedicated to it. That's right, it's getting its own theme music. I don't even have that. Yet. Final fun fact, last year John Oliver went full psycho fanboy for the pūtētake, even dressing up like it and buying billboards across the globe. And in 2021, a bat won, a frickin' back, which, to be fair, is basically bird-adjacent Dracula. So here's the takeaway, people. New Zealand birds are awesome, endangered, and way more competitive than you'd think. And the kārearea totally deserved the crown. It suited up, played hard, and went home legendary. Out.
Wait for it. DAARE. Suit up.